This is a Meister DUG variable area flow meter. You look at the scale, okay? Look at the scale. The flow from 6 to 90 liter per minute. You see the construction below here? You see below here? This is the float. This is a float. As the liquid level flowing through from below all the way going up. Here, you can see that the float design. You can see here, below is narrow. You see this part is narrow and gradually increasing. So you see the top part is getting bigger. So as the flow rate going up, the float going up, let's say the float size is always the same, but the float will go into the bigger area to allow more flow to go through. That's how it is called variable area flow meter. Look at the, you can see here, it's stated DUG 90G1. Okay, NOC, that means it stands for normally open contact, just 2 wire. And it is ATEX certified explosion proof, come with 10 meters long of cable. Because it is explosion proof, you see here, okay, it's labeled as I think difficult to see, EX2C T6GB, and they can achieve the explosion proof by this is a switch. This is a switch. It's totally this we call it encapsulated. The switch is totally encapsulated so that no spark can happen to the switch, and you can adjust the switch contact by bringing this piece up and down through these two. You can by unscrew unscrew this piece, then you can slide this up and down. So explosion proof switch is different from Form C. Okay, I will show you this. If it's a normal flow switch, the switch contact is like that. Okay, when you order the switch to be not explosion proof, the switch is like that. The switch is like that. So this is not used for explosion proof. For explosion proof, you need to order like this. So I like you to see the difference. Look at here, inside here, there's a spring. Here, below, so the flow is from bottom to top because it is a spring. Because it is spring, right? Then this called DUG. U, that means you can install vertically or horizontally, because the float inside here is secure by the spring. So when you can put it upside down, the float will not turn into below because it is come with a spring. DUGU stand for universal. That means you can install the switch in any direction. Hope it is clear.